category. Russell's group. Y'all gave me the last correct answer. So with this in mind, what was that? 5 points for miscellaneous? Pick me another category, Russell's group. Quick. Go. Which one, Chris?
Articles for 5.
Articles for 5.
Hey, they get all the big
List
ones.
all you can, and then the first hand I see gets it next. Parody examples. Casey's going to be next. Ryan, you're next. You guys have it. 5, 4. Parody examples. Go ahead.
The Donald Duck Nazi land cartoon.
The Donald Duck Nazi Land cartoon. What's it doing?
In that cartoon, it dehumanizes the Nazis, the Japanese, and the Italians by showing Donald Duck in what they call Nazi land and how he has to work 48 hours a day, as they say, work 48 hours.
And what else was he subject to in that?
Constantly howling to the Hitler.
Howling to Hitler, German music, marches and bands and propaganda of the state. +5. Tell me more.
Can we only use ones that we watched in class?
Preferably, yes.
Oh, damn it. What about
5, 4.
Okay,
3.
Okay, we also have the Palin versus Biden VP debate.
Go ahead, tell me more.
And in that one, it basically parodies the characteristics that Palin and Biden have showed in the election.
And what was the overriding theme of Palin?
Very low expectations.
Very low expectations. What was the overriding theme of Biden?
He
Just do the debate.
basically he was going out of his way to make sure that he wasn't offending anybody who may I guess support Palin.
Yeah, he basically didn't want to give her any ammunition to say that he did something wrong. +5 again. Give me another.
What about Palin versus Palin and Clinton? That one?
Palin and Clinton. What about Palin and Clinton? What did that suggest?
Well, basically, they're showing Hillary Clinton as a very kind of rude lady. And
She wanted the election.
She really.
Rude. Is there another word that might better assess
Insecure.
Hillary Clinton?
Ballbuster? I don't know.
She's late too.
Man, wow, I don't know who said that. That's pretty funny.
Join us.
Okay, so Hillary Clinton was problematic. What was Palin's perception in that one?
Palin didn't know anything. She was portrayed as an idiot.
Okay, so she was in, but she's also portrayed as kind of cute and likable. Hillary Clinton, gruff, not likable, but maybe knowing more. Also maybe very
Somebody's
jealous.
the man.
+5 again. Anything else? 4.
Popeye cartoon?
There you go.
What about Popeye?
No, that was last test.
But I didn't test on it last time. Go ahead.
That group over there, that old group is angry. Oh, I just changed it back. Oh, he said they got the big ass to take that. In class fighting. It's crazy.
The which one?
The ism cartoon.
What is the ism?
Where it was talking about communism and how everyone or at least some people in America, you're awfully close. Some people,
Spit it out, 5.
some people in America weren't happy with, the fact that we were a capitalist system, and people, and Mr. Dr. Ism, whatever his name was, came in and was offering communism. And so they thought that, okay, hey, this is cool. And then John Q. Public came in and said, okay, wait a minute, this is why it's not cool, and showed
Okay, so
all the
basically he
reasons.
was walking in with an elixir, a tonic, and saying, I can fix all your problems. Labor, management, agriculture, politicians, all these things. And then
That's my boy Libertarian.
the theme of it
Sounds
was,
real
no,
nice.
not so
It's
fast.
Scott.
You can actually make it worse. Any other ones? Give them +5.
South Park, the South Park episode about the hate crime.
The hate crime one.
Where Cartman threw a rock at a black kid and the FBI came in and said, hey, this is a hate crime.
And what theme did that represent from democracy in this chapter?
Rights of minorities.
Minority rights versus
I like
majority
it, man.
rules.
No
+5. Anything else?
Good answer, bro.
The Obama monkey.
In
In Japan, they had the cartoon, or not the cartoon. They had the commercial advertising the new phone with a monkey trying to be President Obama, or at least campaigning as Obama.
So there was an argument that this was flattering, or no?
Well, there was a lot of people viewed it as not flattering because it's like, oh, they're portraying him as a monkey.
There's
it's like
a
he's an
racist
idiot.
stereotype,
Yeah,
but-
but in Japan they view monkeys as like a good symbol, and they like
So putting Obama with a good symbol would be a good portrayal. +5. Anything else?
The Wendy's commercial, the band Wendy's commercial.
What about the band Wendy's commercial?
Because it was the Russian Olympics, I believe, and they were talking about how everyone in Russia was exactly the same
the
because
World
they would say,
Olympics, but-
nighttime wear, and they would come out in the same clothes with the.
So what was the statement that they're making?
You have a choice in America.
Yeah, you don't.
You have a choice in America in democracy, but you don't have a choice in communism. Anything else? 4, 3, 2.
The Jib Jab cartoon, the Time for Some Campaigning.
Okay.
It was parodying the presidential candidates at the time, John McCain and Barack Obama. It parodied Barack Obama's message of hope and change
Yeah, it
that was
did.
prominent through his campaign. And it parodied McCain's old age, his swollen left gland.
It parodied a lot. Speaking
And
of
the fact
swollen
that he
glands,
was,
yeah, I know what you're saying.
and
Yeah.
the fact that he was moderate and too middle of the road for many Republicans who are more conservative, like Bush.
Okay, +5. Anything else?
And the white trash cartoon.
Okay, yeah, we don't need to get into the white trash. But yeah, that's +5. Anything else, Ryan?
Look back in the game. Look at that.
What's that? Hitler rap. I can't hear.
Hitler rap.
Hitler rap.
Hitler rap. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead.
He's from that show, Whitest Kids You Know.
Yes.
When that guy was rapping about like taking the light of the Holocaust, and, like all the Schindler's and it could cause some controversy because like they're taking that event to lightly, whereas it's also freedom of speech.
Trying to make Nazism almost happy, if you will, and based upon the image of Hitler. Any other ones? +5 for them.
South Park, Night of the Living Homeless, where they made fun of
You know, I never.
It was in the list though.
Yeah, well, I never showed it though, so I better skip that. Josh, last one.
You kind of waited too long.
I know.
Oh no, I don't.